Good morning friends, welcome to the lecture. Today's lecture we will learn graphical method of linear programming to solve numerical problems. In previous lectures we studied the introduction of operational research, its history, steps involved in solving a problem and tools and techniques of operational research. The tools and techniques of OR are linear programming, transportation and assignment problem, game theory, sequencing, stochastic model, Coing model, CPM PERT, LP introduction, canonical representation of LP, its problem formulation. In LP we need linear objective function and linear constraint to solve the problem. Today we are focusing on the graphical method of linear programming to solve numerical problems. Okay, so this is the problem. We have developed the objective function and constraint equations in the previous lectures, which are these, but I will explain how we have developed this equation. So let us read the question first. A company assembles two models of raincoats, model A and B. The amounts of materials and labors required for each assembly, the total amounts available are shown in the table. The profits that can be realized from the sale of each raincoat are $22 and $28 for model A and B respectively, and we assume there is a market for as many raincoats as can be manufactured. The manufacturer would like to determine how many of each model to assemble in order to maximize the profit. Okay, so the profit we are obtaining after selling model A is $22 and after selling model B is $22. So our objective function will be 22 multiplied by number of the raincoats of model A plus 28 multiplied by number of raincoats of model B. Okay, where QA and QB are the number of models of raincoats for A and B respectively. So this is the objective function. Now the constraint equation. The first constraint equation can be developed from the materials unit. The resources required per unit, resources available. We need 8 material units to make raincoats of model A and we need 10 material units to make raincoats of model B, and the resources available are 3400. 3400 is the maximum unit that is available. So the constraint equation will be 8QA plus 10QB less than or equal to 3400. Okay, this is the material unit constraint equation. Now we have labors. We need 2 labors to make raincoat of model A and we need 3 labors to make models of raincoat B, and we have 960 labors available. So the equation will be 2QA plus 3QB less than equal to 960. The non-negativity constraint will be QA greater than equal to 0 and QB greater than equal to 0. Now we will solve this problem using graphical method. The objective function is so this is 0, 0. Okay, if I will put QB equal to 0, considering this equation 1, 8 QA plus 10 multiplied by 0 equal to 3400, this will give QA equal to 425. So when QB is equal to, considering in this direction QB and is this direction QA, so when QB is equal to 0, QA is 425. Considering this as 100, 200, 300, 400, 500, somewhere around here will be our 0.1. This will be 425, 0. Now putting 8 multiply by 0 plus 10 QB equal to 3400. This will give QB equal to 340. 100, 200, 300 and 400. Somewhere around here we will have 340. Okay, so this will be our 0, 340. So let me draw a straight line. Okay, this will be our 8QA plus 10QB equal to 3400. Now equation 2, which is 2QA plus 3QB. So if I will put 2QA plus QB equal to 0, 960, this will give QA equal to 480. Okay, this is our 500. Somewhere here will be 480. Now if I put QA equal to 0, 3 QB equal to 960, I will get 320. This point will be 480, 0. This point will be our 0, 320. This will be 2QA plus 3QB equal to 960. As a criteria is less than or equal to, so we will have this area under the curve. If you find the intersection point of these two equations, multiply this equation, this is equation 2, by 4. Let me show it to you. 8QA plus 10QB equal to 3400 plus 8QA plus 12QB equal to 3840. So from here we will have 2QB equal to 440, and this will give QB as 220. And so putting this in the equation, we will have QA equal to 150. So the intersection point will come here. So here we have these 3 points. So the objective function was 22QA plus 28QB, and from here we can see we have 3 common points. This is 0, 320, 150, 220 and 425, 0. P1 is 0, 320. P2 is 150, 220 plus P3 is 0, 425. So Z on point 1 will be 22 multiplied by 0 plus 28 multiplied by 320. So this will be $960. Okay. Now for the second point, 22 multiplied by 150 plus 28 multiplied by 220. Let us calculate that. 22 multiplied by 150 plus 28 multiplied by 220. This is $9460. $9460. Now for the third case, the third one was 425,0. 425, comma 0. So 22 multiplied by 425 plus 28 multiplied by 0. This will give 22 multiplied by 425 equal to 9350. 9350. Okay. So the maximum profit is coming for the second point. So from here we can say that the company should develop 150 units of model A raincoat and 220 units of model B raincoat in order to have maximum profit.